Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a video that I got it from the comment of my previous video, that is how to upscale the video from 1080p to 4K. Now if you're talking about upscale from a lower resolution to the higher resolution, on the result that you can see on Google search is always convert your video from 1080p to 4K, and to be honest, it will never give you the best result at all, because it's just make the video look like 4K, but it doesn't look like 4K. So today I'm going to show you and represent to you a software that will give you the best result for the terms upscaled. And the software that I'm talking about right now is called Topaz Video Enhanced AI, and in this version I'm using the latest version 2. And this software will use the AI to truly upscale your video from 1080p to 4K. So right now I'm going to show you the 1080p video. Okay, and now in the software, on the right side you can see the word AI model, and in this model there is a list of model over here. So to give the best result, I recommend you to choose one of the models over here and then press preview, so that you can make a comparison that which AI can encode and upscale your video to look more HD. Okay, so in this situation the video is already in full HD, so I would choose the Gaia high quality video, because I recommend to use this AI to make to truly encode the video from 1080p to upscaled 4K. And next, in the sizing section, choose the resolution that you want for your result. So in here I'm going to choose 4K, and then to the video format section, you can choose either MP4 video or MOV video. But if you're choosing the MP4 video, I suggest that you should change the compression factor or CRF over here. The number can be from 10 to 20, but I put in here number 15 because it will give you the best result and the processing time will be less, so you don't have to wait for a long time. And after you finish your setting, press the stop processing, and then you can wait until it finished. And to notice that the software will use the GPU to encode your video. So if and how much VRAM to do this processing, I will leave the information in the description. Okay. And right now I will show you my upscaled 4K result. As you can see, if you're looking for the first time, you don't notice anything, but the upscaled 4K, the details are much better than the original 1080p video. Okay, So that is it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for random good quality videos. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.